On today's video, we're going to go ahead and review the August Money Roll Lottery Prediction Sheet or Lottery Prediction Guide. As it says right here, this is the Numbers Players Guide on the front of the sheet. So if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys are hitting them notifications so you can check these out, review them together at the beginning of the month so we can go ahead and go over the numbers together, and that way you set yourself up to play the numbers that you need to play for the rest of the month of August. All right, diving right into it. So we look at the front of the sheet here, Money Row. We're going the numbers right here where it says with the dollar sign, it shows us the best bets to play. So we have 916, 738, 025, 243, and 619. So 243 is under Cancer and Leo is under 619. And right here in the middle, you see you have 731 right there in the middle. Then we scroll up a little bit. You have 345. And right next to where it says downtown, you have the 904. So make sure you guys focus on the numbers on the front of the sheet. These are the numbers that drop the most in my personal opinion and experience of playing with this sheet. Most of them come in this section and in the pyramid section, which we will go over. All right, this is the front of the sheet. Go on the back, nothing but advertisements in the pyramid down here. As you can see, right in there. Focus for you guys right there. So you see you have the 320, the triple fives, and then with the pyramid, this is the second best area to pick your numbers because it's like a mini workout here. You see you have 9, you can do 901. We go from across, or you can even go down to 9014, or you go across for pick 4 or the 4-digit 5871. And you have 6234 that you can also play for the 4-digit right there, or you can go here again, right up in here. See what that 982 is? You can go down there. You can go 073 if you're going vertically, and then you can go 014. So this is why this area, people notice a lot of numbers drop in this area, pick 3 and pick 4 here. So this is called the little mini pyramid section here, from number workouts for pick 3 and pick 4. So definitely another second best area to focus on this sheet. All right, so as we flip the book open, we can go up here to where it says Lucky Horoscopes. So we go right here. We start from the left. You see where that says Aquarius right up there. And you have that 190, and then you have 548 for the best bet picks. Then you have 862 for Pisces and 322. Now, the reason why they give you two numbers, you can play these in midday or evening. It's up to you if you want to play both of them midday or you want to play in the evening draw. And if you have more draws in your state, then make sure you try to play these numbers in some shape or form of a combination. Then you go down to Capricorn, you have 084, 678. Then you have Taurus, 689, and then 567. Then you have the best bet numbers, which is 325 with that dollar sign, and 728. And that's under Gemini. Then if under Cancer, you have 903 and 658. Then we go over here to the right column. See under Leo, you have 792. And then you have 212. Then you 954 under Virgo right there. And then 044. Libra 109 and 557. 592 for Scorpio and 101. 342 and 229 for Sagittarius, and Aries at the bottom, 490 and 598. All right, we go down, nothing but advertisement here. Here's another section right here where it says August doubles. So right here, you focus on this, where the best picks are. That's what I like to focus on first, where you can see 080, 866, 848. What else we have here? 855, 89. You notice most of these numbers have double eights in them. Like I said, that's why it's called doubles, because it's two of the same number in there. But those are definitely some good numbers. You want to play in combination like 866 or 899 or 898. They have it here twice, so then make sure you guys watch that. Sometimes they will have numbers on here twice. Look like it's on here three times, so careful with that. That's why I say you have to do your own research and make sure that these sheets aren't printing uh, double and triple numbers. So make sure you're writing them down and double checking the numbers. All right, so that's the August doubles there. And we move over right here. So you this real quick where it says best picks. That's how we know that's the best picks, just in case for those who don't know. That's why that dollar sign there is what they're recommending as the best picks. And what I mean, I mean the money row prediction sheet is saying that. So, all right. So we look at the 4-digit numbers here. Now these, some of them have doubles and some of them don't, but this is just regular pick four or 4-digit, whatever you like to call it. So as we go into it right here, we're only going to focus on ones with the best picks. So we have 5564, 5867, 7218, 1289, 6620, 0289, 5578, 2458, and 5478. So it's a lot of best picks in here that I see that I would run a combination for about a week just to see if I catch it. You see that 5478. I play that with the 5867. I also see that 0289 and try to match that up with the right below it to the left. See right there where it says 1289. Want to play them in kind of sequence together because just in case another number falls, then you might be able to catch it. So, but this is the 4-digit numbers right here. And right here, the Wheel of Fortune area. So again, you might see some numbers with that dollar sign next to it. Remember, that's the best picks. We go over these real quick. You got 642. That's also a best pick. 784. And I see 590, 364, 267, 176, 062, and 462. And if you look to the right and left of this Wheel of Fortune column, you also have numbers there. 367, 843, 255, 647, 567, and 100. So make sure you play responsibly. You try to mix it up and play as many numbers as you can to try to hit that combination of numbers. All right, so we move up to this section right here. So right here is the Money Road Dream Guide. So they have here to the left, if your name is Jeff, you should be playing these numbers here. So pick 3 and pick 4-digit number right here. 100, 1982, Tamika, 452, and 2022, and Sherry, 675, 9155. Then you have Doc, if your name is Doc, 989, and then you have the quad sevens, the 7777, which is a hard number, just like the 1111. Those numbers don't come often for whatever reason. Lottery got that number sold up for whatever reason. It just doesn't fall like that. Well, at least in my state, it haven't fell in a very long time, maybe like some years. But keep playing it; it's bound to come some point. All right, if your name is Jay, 264, and that's 5656, 894. Your name is Sam, and 4321. And remember, these asterisks is just the same as the best picks. These are the ones that they want you to make sure you're doubling down on these numbers right here because they are the ones that might come first or hit first in the lottery. And you go into the fast and fancy side, you got the 621, 345, 894, 556, and 768 all have that asterisk by it. And you can kind of pair them up with some other numbers up in here if you like. You got 123, and then you got 026, then you got 621 and 651. See it right up in there. So just try to play a combination of these, play them on different days or play them for multiple draws. That way you won't miss the number if you don't play it a certain day. So, all right, guys, this is the Money Row for August 2024. Let me know what numbers in the comments that you guys are going to be playing this month for this particular lottery guide. Thanks everybody for the super thanks, and make sure you guys are got them notifications so you are dropping these videos as soon as they drop. All right, so I catch you on the next lottery tip video, and thank you guys for watching.